3 simple hacks on saving thousands that airlines don't want you to know.
Welcome aboard. Today, we're diving into the insider secrets of scoring cheaper flights. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a around-the-world adventure, these tips will help you save big on airfare. Let's get started. I have taken a couple hundred flights over last 25 years, traveling around the world. These hacks are based on my real-life experiences. Before we move any further, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notification on our new videos. Hack 1. Be flexible with your travel dates. Airlines often have different prices for different days of the week. Traveling mid-week, like on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, can save you a lot of money instead of traveling between Friday to Monday.
For example, if you fly from Los Angeles to Sydney on the 21st of September, Saturday, and return on the 4th of October, Friday, it will cost you $2,860 for return ticket. But you can get the same flight for only $1,535 if you fly out on the 18th of September and return on the 2nd of October. This is a massive savings of $1,325 by changing your travel dates by couple of days.
Most of the airlines also have high and low seasons. You can save huge amount on your flight if you select low season for your trip.
If you book Sydney to Los Angeles flight during July school holiday period, departing on the 5th of July and return on the 19th of July, it will cost $3,637. But if you move your travel date to low season in August, it will cost you only $1,297. It saves nearly $2,340 on your flight.
Usually early morning or late night flights are less popular, and you can also save on selecting your flights during these hours.
Hack 2. Use website or apps to find the best airlines and the route. You don't need to be a travel agent or expert to find out the airlines or routes are suitable for your next trip. You can use websites like Google Flights, Skyscanner or Kayak to find out which airlines or route will be best for your journey. I usually prefer the Google Flight website to find my best options. For example, if I plan to travel from London to Singapore on the 6th of August and return on the 17th of August, I open the Google Flight website, select London to Singapore, departure on the 6th of August and return on the 17th of August. I make sure it is showing a round trip, one passenger and economy at the top. Of course, you can adjust to your situation. I then click on the search button. My search results shows the best departure flights including travel time, transit time, and return fare. By clicking on the down arrow you can see the details of the flight including aircraft details, flight duration, transit location and duration, features on the flight, such as legroom measurements, Wi-Fi availability. I then look for the best departure flight and click the select flight button on the flight I want to book.
Then I get the options to select my return flight. In most situations, I prefer to select the return flight from the same airlines as my departure flight, as it will allow me to purchase a single ticket for the round trip.
Once flights are selected, I then get the booking options with the cost of flights for each option. It is recommended to purchase the ticket from the airline's website instead of going through any third-party site. This always gives me opportunities to update my flight details directly on airline's website if required. In this example, I have selected flights from Swiss Air. So, I click on the Continue button on Book with Swiss Air option. This will take me to the airline's website where I can purchase the ticket. Hack 3. Use Virtual Private Network, VPN. VPN is a virtual private network which masks your IP address and pretend to be in a different location from your actual location. It is used by travelers to save tons of money on purchasing airline tickets. One of the most popular one I always use is called NordVPN. You can purchase NordVPN for around $4 per month. Flights are priced differently based on location. For example, it costs more to purchase a flight when you are in USA, UK, Australia. But cheaper if you are in a country like India, Philippines, Vietnam, etc. with developing economy. Also, sometimes tickets are cheaper if you book it from the same country of the origin of the airlines. For example, if you want to book a domestic flight with United Airlines from Florida to New York. It will cost you more if you book it from any country other than USA.
To use VPN, you need to make sure that you have cleared your cookies from your web browser and close the browser.
Then open the VPN application and connect to a network of your desired location. Once you are connected, you can then open the web browser and use Google Flight as shown on Hack 2 to purchase your flights. You can connect your VPN to different locations to find the cheapest option for your flight before you proceed for booking.
I have saved thousands by following these simple hacks. I am sure you will be able to save a lot on your upcoming holidays.
Happy traveling! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more hacks on traveling in our other videos.